If your mornings feel like a mini disaster movie, this episode is for you. You know the scene. Someone can't find their shoes. Someone else is crying about cereal. Backpacks are half open. You're yelling. The clock is screaming at you. And by 8 a.m., you already feel like you've run an emotional marathon. Take a breath. You're not alone. And you're not a bad parent because mornings are hard. In today's episode, we're talking about 10 morning routine hacks every parent needs to stop the before-school chaos. These are not Pinterest perfect, Instagram aesthetic ideas. These are real-life, I'm tired and we need to get out the door hacks, rooted in how kids actually think, feel, and behave. By the end of this episode, you'll have 10 concrete tools you can start using tomorrow morning. You don't have to use all of them at once. Even 2 or 3 can lower the chaos level dramatically. So, let's get into it. Number 1, start tomorrow morning, tonight. This sounds obvious, but it's the difference between panicked reaction mode and calmer autopilot. Think of night you as a kind friend who sets morning you up for success. Tonight, try this simple 3-part reset. 1, backpack check. Open the bag, check homework, papers, permission slips. Anything that needs signing, do it now, not at 7:52 a.m. 2, clothes ready. Full outfit laid out. Shirt, pants, socks, underwear, hair accessories, even the sweater. Not in a pile somewhere, but in one visible spot. 3, launch pad. Shoes, backpack, and anything that has to leave the house go to one place by the door, not 10 places. 1. You don't need a perfect system. You just need less to remember when your brain is foggy in the morning. Ask yourself every night, what can I do now so tomorrow's me doesn't have to think about it? That one question alone can erase a surprising amount of morning chaos. Number 2, the one-page morning map. Kids don't wake up with a built-in checklist in their brain. We say the same instructions every single day, asterisk. Brush your teeth, put on your clothes, eat your breakfast, get your shoes. Asterisk, and we're shocked they don't remember. Instead of yelling the routine, show it. Grab a piece of paper or a whiteboard and create a simple visual list. Wake up, bathroom and teeth, get dressed, breakfast, put dishes away, shoes and backpack. For younger kids, you can draw little stick figure icons or print pictures. For older kids, just words are fine. Then the key part. When your child gets distracted, instead of repeating yourself 50 times, you can calmly say, check your morning map, what's next? You're shifting from, I am the nagging alarm, to the routine is the boss, not me. It gives them a sense of control, and it gives you fewer reasons to shout. Number 3, kill the first decision. Mornings don't explode because of one big thing. They explode because of 50 tiny decisions. What to wear? What to eat? Who sits where? Which shoes? Where's the water bottle? So we start by removing 2 of the biggest decision traps, clothes and breakfast. For clothes, try this. Create a small capsule wardrobe for school mornings, 5-7 mix and match outfits your child likes and feels good in. Every Sunday, you or your child pre-select outfits for the week into labeled spots, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. In the morning, the question isn't, what do you want to wear? It becomes, do you want the Monday outfit or Tuesday outfit today? Limited choices equals fewer battles. For breakfast, create 2-3 go-to options you always have ready. For example, option A, yogurt plus fruit plus toast. Option B, scrambled eggs plus toast plus cucumber sticks. Option C, oatmeal plus banana plus peanut butter. Then in the morning, do you want A or B today? You've killed the hardest decisions before they have a chance to start an argument. Number 4, fill the connection tank first. This one might surprise you. Most of us start the morning with commands. Get up, brush your teeth, hurry, we're late, move. But kids are more likely to cooperate when they feel connected. If the first experience of their day is pressure and correction, their brain goes into defense mode. That's when you see whining, arguing, and no, I don't want to. Try this instead. Spend the first 3 minutes after they wake up on connection, not commands. Sit on their bed. Rub their back. Whisper, "Good morning. I'm happy to see you." Make a silly little morning ritual a song, a secret handshake, a 10-second cuddle. Then gently transition. "Let's go brush teeth, and then you can tell me your crazy dream." It sounds small, but emotionally, it's huge. You're telling their nervous system, "You're safe. You're loved. We're a team." And a kid who feels like they're on your team fights you less. Number 5, turn time into a game. Kids, especially younger ones, have a fuzzy sense of time. "We're late" means nothing. "Hurry up" just feels like pressure. Instead, turn time into something visible and fun. Here are 2 easy tools. 1. Visual timer. Use a kitchen timer, an hourglass, or a timer app with a colored countdown. Let's see if we can get dressed before the red disappears. 2. Song challenges. Pick a fun 2-3 minute song. Can you be fully dressed by the time this song ends? Teeth brushed before the chorus? You're moving from power struggle to team challenge. Instead of "you never listen," it becomes "we're racing the song together. Ready, set, go." Same goal, completely different energy. Number 6, create a launch zone. One of the biggest sources of chaos is lost objects. Where are your shoes? Where's your backpack? Where did you put your folder? You can't have a calm morning if you're on a scavenger hunt every day. The fix is simple. Create a launch zone. This is a small area near the door where all school stuff lives. A hook or peg for the backpack, a spot on the floor, or a small rack for shoes. A bin or basket for extras. Hat, gloves, library books. Make a clear rule everyone understands. When we come home, backpacks and shoes go straight to the launch zone. Not later, not after a snack, now. Will it be perfect every day? No. But every time it works, you remove one more piece of morning chaos. Number 7, talk like a guide, not a drill sergeant. The more stressed we are, the more our voices become sharp, loud, and controlling. Kids don't respond well to feeling commanded all the time. We're going to shift your language in 3 ways. 1, from you to we. Instead of, "You're making us late again," try, "We need to be out the door in 10 minutes. Let's work together." 2, from threats to when then. Instead of, "If you don't put on your shoes, no TV ever again," try, "When your shoes are on, then we can choose a song for the car." 3, from criticism to narration. Instead of, "You're so slow. Why can't you just get ready?" Try, "I see you've got your shirt on. Next step is pants. Do you want help or do you want to try by yourself?" This doesn't mean you'll never get frustrated. You're human. But when your base tone is calm guide instead of angry commander, kids feel safer and safer. Kids cooperate more. Number 8, expect one problem. Build a chaos cushion. We often plan mornings as if everything will go perfectly. Reality check. Something will go wrong. Someone will spill milk, lose a shoe, forget an assignment, cry over the wrong color cup. Instead of hoping for a miracle, bake the chaos into your plan. Decide what time you times actually times need to leave. Then set your routine as if you needed to leave 10-15 minutes earlier. That extra 10-15 minutes is your chaos cushion. It's not for scrolling your phone. It's the buffer you use when the unpredictable happens. The meltdown about socks, the spilled juice, the last-minute bathroom run. And emotionally, something shifts when you expect one hiccup. Instead of, "Oh no, everything is ruined," you can think, "Ah, here's today's chaos moment. Good thing I planned for it." You become less reactive, more steady, and kids feel that steadiness. Number 9, your 60-second parent reset. The honest truth? You set the tone. If you wake up already angry, the morning has almost no chance. So we give you a tiny, realistic routine that's just for you. Before you wake the kids, take 60 seconds for this. 1, breathe. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds out. Repeat a few times. 2. Say one sentence to yourself. Something like, I'm the adult. I bring the calm. Progress, not perfection this morning. 3. Picture the first 5 minutes going well. You walk in calmly. You say good morning. You connect, not command. You don't need a 30-minute morning routine. You just need a tiny emotional reset so you're not starting the day already on edge. Because here's the secret. Most kids don't need a perfect parent. They just need a parent who can come back to calm again and again. And finally, number 10, fix mornings in the evenings. Mornings are a result. The real work often happens after school and before bed. Pick a calm moment in the evening and have a 2-3-minute family check-in. You can ask, what went well this morning? What was really hard? What's one thing we can change for tomorrow? Let your kids speak. You might be surprised by what they notice. I get mad when you yell from the kitchen. I hate changing clothes when the room is cold. I don't like eating fast. Then, choose one tiny tweak for the next day. Warm up the room with a heater for 5 minutes. Put clothes in the bathroom so they can change after a warm shower. Move breakfast 5 minutes earlier so they don't feel rushed. You're teaching your kids a powerful message. We are a team. We solve problems together. Mornings are not just your fault or my fault. They're something we can improve as a family. That alone reduces so much shame and resistance. So, let's recap the 10 morning hacks. 1. Start tomorrow morning tonight. 2. Make a 1-page morning map. 3. Kill the first decisions, clothes and breakfast. 4. Fill the connection tank first. 5. Turn time into a game with timers and music. 6. Create a launch zone by the door. 7. Talk like a guide, not a drill sergeant. 8. Build a chaos cushion into your schedule. 9. Use a 60-second parent reset. 10. Fix mornings with a tiny evening check-in. You don't need all 10 at once. For tomorrow, just pick 1 or 2. Maybe you start with the launch zone and the morning map, or the connection first and the chaos cushion. Then, as those become habits, you can layer in the others. Remember, the goal is not a perfect, quiet, movie-like morning. The goal is a morning where you shout less, connect more, and arrive at school feeling like a team instead of a tornado. If this episode helped you, consider sharing it with another tired parent who needs a calmer start to the day. And if you want more gentle but practical tools like this, make sure you follow the show so you don't miss the next one. You're doing more than you think. Your kids won't remember every rushed morning, but they will remember how it felt to be loved by you, even in the chaos. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.